ray optics we are doing. In that, first I am doing all instrument. Instruments part I am doing first. For telescope, what is limit of resolution? It is theta equals to 1.22 lambda upon d. D is diameter of lens. Resolution power is reciprocal of limit of resolution. And for microscope, limit of resolution D is 1.22 lambda upon 2 mu sine of alpha. Where mu sine alpha is called numerical aperture. This is for self-luminous body. Nothing given, always will take self-luminous. And resolution power is reciprocal, which is 2 mu sine alpha upon 1.22 lambda. So remember, resolution power is reciprocal of wavelength. For non-luminous body, D will be only lambda upon 2 mu sine alpha, and resolution power will be 2 mu sine alpha upon lambda. Copy. The 6 formulas, please copy. From next week, we'll solve full length papers as a revision.
Done, sir.
So first I am doing problems based on this. I have given you interference and wave theory ka sheet, interference and diffraction ka sheet. Hello, have I given you that?
Not now.
No, earlier, not now, earlier. If everybody is having, can open that, because pehle wo questions I will do. There are around 6 to 7 questions based on resolution power and limit of resolution. 1 minute. If you don't have, I will resend it. Yes, everybody is having, or should I resend it?
So can you
Please
resend?
resend it.
Resend, okay. ये फॉर्मूला याद हो गया? 2 बार लिखो जरा वापस. Just 2 times, right? So you should remember formula first. Take 2 minutes, write 2 times, no problem. Yes, did you get? Hello, did you get it?
No, sir.
देखो
No,
गया
no.
गया 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 गया, मिला नहीं? अरे जा 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 जा
Yes,
जा
sir.
जा जा, नहीं अब मिलेगा. मिला?
Yes, sir.
Can you see sum number 59? Page number 25, sum number 59.
Yes, sir.
How many of you know this sum? Are you knowing this sum? Aryan Singh, senior.
Sir, I'm trying.
Yes, all of you try. If you don't get, I will help you. And if you don't know, then tell, please. See, reading at sum, you come to know whether you know or you don't know. Then there can be some error due to calculation. And if you don't know, that means, yes, should I do it?
Is the answer 10 kilometers?
Answer is 10 kilometer. Yes.
Yes, sir.
How you did?
So since theta is 1 by r and theta is equal to 1 minute.
Theta is 1 by r.
Yeah.
Which formula is theta 1 by r?
It's the 1 by 60 degrees, na?
No, r you are saying. What is r? R is resolution power you are saying.
Yes, sir.
No. Theta is 1 by r, perfect. But formula of theta is 1.22 lambda upon d, na?
Right.
And
no,
this.
so what I did is so 1 by 60 degrees.
So that is for theta. You did 1 by 60. Minute you converted into degree, na?
Yeah.
And then you have to convert into radian.
Yeah. So pi by 180.
This is theta. Okay.
And then so then you get so since L is equal to 3 meters.
No, 1 minute. See, answer is right. Answer is not wrong. I'm just reading the sum.
Yes, sir.
At a distance of first limit of resolution limit is 1 minute, which very rightly you said 1 upon 60 degree, and then multiply by 1 upon pi upon 180, it will become a radian. At a distance x from I, this is I, and I is having that limit of resolution. At a distance of x kilometer from I, two persons are standing with lateral separation of 3 minutes. For 2% to be just resolved by the naked eye, what should be the x? Is the question. So theta, in fact tan theta is approximately theta, you can say opposite side upon adjacent side. So pi upon 60 into 180 is 3 upon x. Therefore x will become 3 into 60 into 180 upon pi. This is in meter. 3 and pi you can cancel. So 10800 in meter. That means 10.8 kilometer. Therefore answer is 10 kilometer. This is actual method. Shall I clear this now? Hello?
Yes, sir.
60th आएगा क्या देखो? A window fitted with wire mesh and distance 200 meter. At distance 200 meter, a window is fitted by wire mesh, मतलब वायर का जाली. Viewed with the help of telescope, spacing between two wire is 2 millimeter. The wavelength of light used is 5000 angstrom. The minimum diameter of the telescope must be how much? What is for telescope theta? 1.22 lambda upon d. Correct? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And this theta I can write opposite side y upon adjacent side x is 1.22 lambda upon d. Y means 2 millimeter, so 10 raised to minus 3. This is 200 meter. 2 into 10 raised to 2. 1.22 lambda is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 d. You have to calculate. Therefore d will become 5 into 2 is 10. 10 1 11. 6.10 into 10 raised to minus 3 and 2. will become -5 upon 10 raised to -3 in meter. So D is 6.10, 10 raised to -2 meter, which will be same as 6.10 centimeter. That is nothing but A. Followed now, this wala?
Yes, sir.
Ananya, this you were knowing earlier?
Yes, sir, we've done this sum before.
And all we have done. I'm asking, could you recollect it?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first I'm doing one which we have done, then I'm giving you new questions.
Yes, sir.
Done? 60? $61. Limit of resolution of telescope of diameter 100 centimeter for light of wavelength 5.5 into 10 raised to -7 meter is how much? Limit of resolution is 1.22 lambda upon capital D, that is 5 into 10 raised to -7 upon 1 meter. So it will become 5 into 2 is 10, 10 1 11 into 10 raised to -7 in radian. But answer is in degree and minute. So 1 radian, this is nothing but 180 upon pi to convert into degree. This you can take pi is 3.14, उसका double is 6.28, तो approximately 3 into 2 कर लो, ज़्यादा नजदीक है ये, तो 360 into 10 raised to -7 in degree. I'm multiplying with 3600, it becomes in seconds. So 36 into 36 into 10 raised to 3 into 10 raised to -7 second. That will become 36 into 36 into 10 raised to -4 second. Now 36 into 36, if you know, it has to be greater than 1000. Hello?
Yes,
36 is greater than 1000.
Yes.
So I'm writing greater than 1000 into 10 raised to -4. That means it will be 1 into 10 raised to -1, 0.1 से greater. देखो जरा slightly greater than 0.1 है.
So
A option. Yes, why you are late? Yes.
sorry.
हाँ
Sorry, sir.
नहीं सॉरी तो वो थोड़ा, लेकिन लेट क्यों हो गया? सॉरी तो ठीक है.
Sir, overslept.
हाँ ओवरस्लेप.
Yes, sir.
मतलब आपने सुबह 6 बजे सोया लगता है आप?
Yes, sir.
अच्छा अच्छा, क्योंकि ये तो चैप्टर आपके लिए रखा था ना.
Yes, sir. Sorry.
वो रिकॉर्डिंग देख लेना, क्योंकि मैंने इसके पहले खाली फॉर्मूला दिया.
Yes, sir.
अब ओवरस्लेप थोड़ी हो गया, टाइम ऑफ स्लीपिंग चेंज किया ना आपने.
Yes, sir.
फिर पूरा रात को व्हाट यू स्टडीड, बायो और फिजिक्स?
Sir, bio and chemistry. Today I will be studying bio and physics.
Means you do 2 subject in a day.
Yes, sir.
No, that is again wrong practice you are doing. Night time you should only do physics, because when you write नींद नहीं आएगा.
Hmm.
नहीं तो फिर कंसंट्रेशन वाला चीज रात को कैसा होएगा आपका, भूलने वाले आप आगे.
Okay.
तो पूरा नाइट आप यूटिलाइज करो फिजिक्स के लिए, फिर पूरा डे यूटिलाइज करो केमिस्ट्री एंड बायो के लिए.
Okay, sir.
बिकॉज दैट इज आई थिंक आइडियल. अगर कोई मैथ्स वाला रहता तो आई वुड हैव टोल्ड मैथ्स रात के लिए यूज करो आप.
Done, sir.
Okay. Sum number 62. Images to be just resolved when. Images to be just resolved कभी होता है ये? थियरी वाला मालूम है? When maxima of one coincides with minima of other, ना ऐसा distance रहेगा, then it is resolved, ना just resolved. So central maxima of one image should fall on first minima of the other. Option A. 63. If two images are to be resolved in case of microscope, then the minimum distance between the object will be 1.22 lambda upon 2 mu sine alpha. They have given beta. 2 mu sine beta. So in air, mu you can take as 1. So formula will be 1.22 lambda upon 2 sine alpha. 1.22 lambda upon 2 sine alpha, option. (64). Numerical aperture of oil immersion microscope. Numerical aperture means mu sine alpha is 1.25. With transparent liquid between object and objective, wavelength of light used for observation is 4000 angstrom unit. The resolving power of microscope. You try on your own. Data I have written. Formula also I am writing for you. These problems are only formula based. If you know formula, you can do. Are you getting option A?
Yes, sir.
Next one, 65. The distance between the images of two stars, which is to be resolved by lens of focal length 200. Focal length का distance मतलब object and image का distance, we can take that. And diameter of telescope 10 centimeter. Wavelength of light used is 5000 angstrom unit. What is distance between two images? This distance we want if they are resolved. So can I say theta is 1.22 lambda upon d, which will become y upon f is 1.22 lambda upon d. Now you can try. Hello?
Yes, sir.
Right.
Sir, option C.
Option C. 1.22 into 10 raised to minus 5, that one.
Yes.
Others are also getting same.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. 66. In an oil immersion objective microscope, oil of refractive index 1.412 is used. The wavelength of illuminating light is 4850 angstrom, and the semi-vertical angle means alpha is 45 degree. Then what is resolution power of microscope? This you can think as root 2 to make the calculation easy. So resolution power is 2 mu sin alpha upon 1.22 lambda. See, always remember resolution power and lambda are inverse. So 2 into root 2 into sine of 45 upon 1.22, lambda is 4.850 into 10 raised to minus 7. So this is 2 root 2 into 1 by root 2 upon 1.22 into 4.850 10 raised to minus 7, root 2 cancel. So we get 2, this is 2.425. 1 upon 1.22 into 2.425 into 10 raised to plus 7. So this is 10 into 10 raised to 6, 12 into 2.4. Approximately I am taking 1.2 into 2.4, 12 into 4, 48, 12 into 2, 24, and 4 is 28. That means 2.88, which is close to 3. So answer will be, hello, 3.37 into 10 raised to 6, correct? Because 3 होएगा तो 3 पॉइंट से ज्यादा, उससे भी ज्यादा होने वाला है. Yes, can I clear it now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. $67. Please try. 67. Hello?
Yes, sir.
What is sine 30?
1/2.
In decimal?
0.5.
So 4.75 into 0.1, I would have got answer 0.475. So this is greater than 0.5 then? So answer will be slightly greater than 30 degree. So C is the answer. 32 degrees, 34 minutes. Shall I clear this? Hello, can I clear this?
Yes, sir.
Next one I want that you all should try. Aperture means the diameter of lens is 5 meter. If separation between moon and earth separation between moon and earth is 4 into 10 raised to 5 kilometer, and wavelength of light used is 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 meter. Minimum separation between object on the surface of moon, this you want. So theta is 1.22 lambda by d, that is y upon x equals to 1.22 lambda by d, y upon 4 into 10 raised to 8, it converted into meter, 1.22, 5 into 10 raised to minus 7 upon 5, this will get cancelled, y equals to 4 into 2, 8, 4.88 into 10, that is equals to 48.8 meter, which is 50 meter. Yes, done.
Yes, sir.
Sum number 97. That is actually not instrument, but I want to check whether you are remembering that or not. 97. Yes, done. Hello.
Yes, sir.
97, please try. Do you know meaning of fringe visibility? Anybody knows what is fringe visibility? Yes, Aslesha, you know this?
So Imax minus,
Very good. Correct, correct, correct. Correct. Now you can manage. अनिकेत कुछ मैसेज भेजा है आपने? Which you deleted then? Aniket? Hello, Aniket? हेलो अनिकेत,
Yes, sir.
कुछ मैसेज भेज रहे थे आप, क्या भेजा था? Find fringe visibility fast. Intensity ratio is given as beta upon 1.
Sorry, A option.
ए ऑप्शन क्या है? ए ऑप्शन एक मिनट चेक करते हैं. Yes, A option is correct. Others also got same A option. Only Ayush got the answer. Aryan Singh, you got the answer?
Yes, sir. Option A.
Option A. Others also got the answer?
Yes, sir.
देखो नहीं आया तो मैं करता हूँ. देखो इधर हाफ तो आई हैव डन. I max upon I minimum root I1 plus root I2 root I1 minus root I2. So root beta plus 1 root beta minus 1 square. Then once you simplify this, then take dividendo and componendo. I don't think everybody got the answer. Yes, you got the answer.
No, sir, I'm solving it.
Solve fast. Ananya,
Got it, sir.
first option.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Ankita, you got the answer. Aniket, Tasmay, Manasvi, Swarno.
Yes, sir.
Swarno, you got the answer? Huh? Option A. Now, last year का question देखते हैं क्या आया था. In limit of resolution. Just give me 2 minutes. ट्वेंटी ट्वेंटी का क्वेश्चन आई एम गिविंग यू. This let me check you'll be able to do or not. ट्वेंटी ट्वेंटी का क्वेश्चन है ये. Assume that light of wavelength 600 nanometer is coming from star. The limit of resolution of telescope whose objective has a diameter of 2 meter is 3.66 into 10 raised to minus 7 radian, 1.83 into 10 raised to minus 7 radian, 7.32 10 raised to minus 7 radian, 6.0 into 10 raised to minus 7 radian. Try this. Let me see how many of you can give correct answer. This was 2020 का question.
Option A.
Yes, sir.
Correct. Option A correct one.
Sir, I'm getting 10 raised to minus 7.
You are getting 10 raised to minus 7.
Yes, sir.
All are 10 raised to minus 7 only, na dear?
Oh, sorry, sir. I thought it's 8.
All are minus 7 only, see?
Okay.
Here minus 7 is not important. That multiplier is important, no?
Yes, sir, I got 3.66 into 10 raised to minus 7. I thought it's 8.
No. Yes, then we have to celebrate. Everybody is getting the answer. So now I got idea you will not make mistake in this sum, correct? Optical instrument now. What is magnifying power defined as? Anybody knows? Yes, anybody knows? Yes, you are knowing. Yes. Ratio of angle subtended by the image at the eye to the angle subtended by object when placed at distance of distinct vision and seen directly, correct?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For simple microscope, you all have material to practice as per the planner which I have given, or you want me to send something? Hello? नहीं
Sir, send.
मैं भेजता ही हूँ, नहीं तो आप उल्टा सुल्टा प्रैक्टिस करोगे समझ में नहीं आएगा क्या चल रहा है. For simple microscope, what is magnifying power? D upon U. मालूम है ये? याद आया क्या? D upon U.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
And when image is at DDV, that means distance of distinct vision, that means D as 25 centimeter, then what is magnifying power?
1 plus B by.
1 plus D by F. Case 2. देखो खाली formula based question है ये सब. When image is at infinity, then what is magnifying power? D upon F. Okay. Hello.
Yes, sir.
Please copy this much. Written full? Yes, written.
Yes, sir.
Compound microscope का भी लिख लो, so that you remember. Compound microscope. Yeah, Ayush, what is formula for magnifying power of compound microscope? किसका product? अनन्या, किसका product बेटा? Ashlesha?
So minus V naught by U naught.
No, basics. एकदम start वाला. You are correct. But एकदम start is what? Linear magnification of objective and magnifying power of eyepiece. Correct?
Yes, sir.
Which is nothing but minus V naught upon U naught into D by UE. Correct? No? Hello?
Yes, sir.
And then that cases. Case 1, image at DDV. Then magnifying power is V minus this 1 plus D upon UE. Case 2, if at infinity, then it will be minus V naught upon U naught D by FE. Length or compound microscope is VO plus UE. If image at infinity, then UE is FE. Please copy this much. Today we'll stop here. And all the assignments I will send. फोटो निकाल के I will write the questions कौन सा करना है आपको. पूरा प्रदीप में से दूंगा आपको मैं.
Done, sir.
This much. Today I will send you the question. That's all for today. Sunday, coming Monday का test you are aware no कौन सा है?
Yes, sir.